Alright, so this is how it's supposed to look. See how it's clean. You can see on T mode. So you just gonna let that sit there for 5 minutes. You're gonna do your bottom. If you get the bottom, you're gonna do it the same way. You're gonna mix it, take your white and your blue. So you're gonna mix it. So you get one consistent color. Just keep doing it. This is my bottom chair right here, but I'm gonna get this right first. Might take a little minute. That's how it's gonna be worth it at the end though. So you gotta keep mixing it. It's not consistent yet. Don't stop when it's like that. It's supposed to be one solid color. Alright, so now that I'm done mixing it, it's one consistent color. One consistent color. So now you're gonna kind of form it in like a little oval shape like this. That right there. Just gonna push it into there like that. Make sure it's all the way in there. Just like that. That's perfect. And you're gonna bite down up in it, but you're pushing down at the same time.